Hi, welcome back. Are you looking for an easy 5-minute Christmas DIY? In this video, I'll show you how to make this simple and aesthetic paper Christmas tree. If you like this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, let's make a template by folding an A4 size paper into half. Then measure and mark 4 cm from the top and with gaps as shown. Or you may also download the template from the description below. Draw lines on the marked gaps. Starting from the top, draw the shape of the Christmas tree following the lines. And cut out the shape. Now grab 16 pieces of A4 size tracing paper or any kind of paper of your choice and fold them into half. You may stack 2 to 3 pieces of paper together when doing this, but make sure that the paper are all aligned. Now trace the tree cutout on each folded paper. And cut out the shape. Then don't forget to separate the cutouts from the stack. Open the folds and apply glue on the fourth line, which is marked with letter C on the template. Fold it back to stick together. Then apply glue on the first, second, and fifth line and stick the cutouts one by one. Apply the last layer of glue. Attach both sides to turn into a full Christmas tree. Now let's add some glitter glue around the sides and edges of the tree. To make a quick star topper, draw a star shape on a card paper. Cut 2 identical pieces. Fold them together in half and on each side so it doesn't look flat. Then roll a piece of paper tightly to create a paper stick. Apply glue to the back of the star and attach them all together. And finally, it's ready for the Christmas tree. And there you have it, your very own DIY paper Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed making this craft this day. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!